Hey guys, can you solve 2 times 3 plus 10 divided by 4 minus 5? This is a very interesting question. Let's solve this step by step. 2 times 3 equals 6, right? Plus 10 divided by 4 minus 5, right? Now 6 plus 10 equals 16 divided by 4 minus 5. And 16 divided by 4 equals 4 minus 5, and 4 minus 5 equals minus 1. But this is not correct, because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, and multiplication and division from left to right. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, guys. Now let's solve this again. Multiply first. 2 times 3 equals 6, right? Plus 10 divided by 4 minus 5, right? Now divide first. 6 plus 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5, right? Minus 5. Now addition first. So 6 plus 2.5 equals 8.5, right? Minus 5. Now 8.5 minus 5 equals 3.5.